Okay, and let me show you why we didn't sleep last night. Okay.
Thank you, Balazs. So
I'm going.
Do you hear me?
Yes, I have a presentation, just a few moments. So let me quickly recap what you have just seen in this video. We've demonstrated the video manipulation capabilities of NVIDIA Server using score information sourced from a live event coming via REST API calls. Inside the NVIDIA Server, a custom plugin uses the internal API to modify the frames according to the game situation, and a low latency WebRTC preview is provided to the administration UI. This example is available on GitHub. You can download it and, of course, adopt it to different sport events or use it for completely different purposes like e-commerce purposes. You can show stock prices, voting results, whatever you want. This POC is where we are first showing the stamp plugin for NVIDIA Server from Stream Toolbox. This was responsible for the overlays.
Sorry. Thank you, Balazs. If the judges would like them to continue, we can do that. Now you have.
No, not really. I knew time is short, so I'm ready for questions.
I have one quick question. I want to jump in. Was the score? So I'm watching this Lego soccer game thing, and the score changes. Did the score change because the video detected that there was a new score, or it's a rules engine and every time the ball goes in the hole, it just stream?
When you score a goal, there's a button under the table, and the player presses that, and that drives the scoring mechanism, and that triggers the API call towards NVIDIA Server.
Got it.
It's a small Python script running on Raspberry.
As far as I understood, Balazs, you are streaming the video with Antmedia and you overlay some text on top of the live stream with a plugin.
Exactly. It is happening on server side. The GPU and transcoding capabilities of AMS allow us to do this.
Okay, good.